I'm filming. Move! Damn! Why do you do that? God, why do you do things like that? Nobody asked you to do anything. Oh my God, why do I always have to have problems? Sitting here trying to cook my own food because somebody doesn't want to help me. But it's okay. Thank God I'm an able body on my right hand and I can cook. It's a trip when you ask somebody to help you, they don't want to help you. And then they try to cover your camera. Oh boy. I'm glad my mom taught me how to cook. Otherwise I'd be begging for someone to cook for me. Guess I'll be eating. Eggs. That's probably really good. I don't have no bacon. And I'll put it in my favorite colored bowl. Oh, I could make some toast. I don't know, I'm just not really in the mood for no toast. Well, at least the egg is cooked with my cheese in it. Whew. Put this back in the refrigerator. Yeah, I got videos that combine with cooking, traveling, tasting, and cats. Things that you do on a regular basis. And if you didn't know, now you know. Oh, and I got some coffee. But what the coffee... This is what you call just throwing stuff together. I'm drinking Colombian coffee. And with my coffee, I'm also using my Caramel Macchiato International Delight. Feeling fancy without leaving the house. Take that, barista. Yes. And you can buy it at your local store. But remember, every store may not carry the same thing. But, hey, it's a start. And yes, you know what? I think I will make me some toast. Because I want to be able to get full. So, on that note, I will be getting... Oh, there's my bread. Guess I won't be using that. Well, folks, don't forget to like, comment, share. Subscribe to my channel for more fun. And it's Friday. It's a trip. I had a doctor's appointment yesterday. And I thought it was for today. Didn't realize. It's on Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday. I thought yesterday was Wednesday. Until I saw the trash man. Then I said, oh my God, yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. And I was confused because I usually take my grandbaby back on Sunday. And it was Monday that I had her. So yes, that's what happens sometimes when we're off of work on different days. I'm off of work Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But now, I don't know how long I'll be off. But stay and subscribe for more funny videos because everybody doesn't know what's going to happen. Peace out.